Hey, how's it going, everybody? Happy 25th anniversary for Pokemon cards. I picked up a couple boxes today. If you guys are checking your local retail stores, they're very high demand, so pretty much as soon as they hit the shelves, they're gone. So good luck to anybody hunting today on day one. I was able to get the Celebrations Deluxe Pin Collection. The main reason I got this one is because it has the cool Pikachu. You can flip it to either surfing or flying Pikachu. Comes with 4 celebration packs as well as a couple other packs from Sword and Shield. I can see there's a Chillin' Rain in the back, and then I'm not sure what this one is on the left. But then you have this really cool Zacian Level X promo card inside. And then the other box I got was the Lance's Charizard V. You have Lance's Charizard V promo, as well as the jumbo card in the back. You get 4 packs of Celebration and a couple of the older sets as well. And you see you have the 25th anniversary logo up at the top. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to open up both of these and put them side by side. And then we're probably going to start with the regular packs first, and then we'll move on to the Celebrations packs to finish it off. So that's pretty cool inside. You get a little brochure telling you about Pokemon and Level X and everything like that. Okay, so this actually is a pin, which is pretty cool. It has 2 prongs on the back. And like I mentioned before, if you tilt it this way, it's a flying Pikachu. And then if you flip this around, it turns into surfing Pikachu. Which, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure this is the first 3D pin ever made. Which I think is a really cool design that they came up with. And it's actually got some weight to it too. It's a really nice Level X card. I never had one of those before. Not textured, but still really cool. I'll safely put that to the side. Now each one of these celebration packs comes with 4 cards instead of your standard 10. But check out that design. I really like the contrast between the silver and you got the 25th logo over here. And if you look close enough, you can actually see the different generations of Pokemon in the background. So you got like Piplup, Furby, you got Chimchar, Trico. It's pretty cool. And you get 2 additional packs. Looks like we got Chillin' Rain with Zapdos, and we got Vivid Voltage with Pikachu. And then we got Lance's Charizard. So you have the mini Charizard V, as well as your Jumbo. Yeah, it's probably actually the first Jumbo that I've seen that doesn't really have too many like white marks or anything, which is pretty cool. And I think PSA, I'm pretty sure they do grade Jumbo cards if you're wanting to go that route. Talks a little bit about the owner's Pokemon, for those of you who don't know about Lance's Charizard. But you can go ahead and pause that for a quick little description. So we got 4 celebration packs, and then we got Battle Styles and Darkness Ablaze. So I think what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to start off with Lance's Charizard V packs, and then we'll work our way over to the Pikachu V packs. Okay, here's the code card for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got Fire Energy, Carnivine, Fearow, Grumpig, Onix, Sizzlipede, Glameow, Galarian Slowpoke, Yamper, Sanduscorch Reverse, and a Lurantis regular rare. Next up we have Darkness Ablaze. Another code for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we got Fire Energy, Relicanth, Swellis, Familiar Ball, Bunsweet, Snubble, Meltan, Bumblebee, Paris, Vanillish, and ooh, nice. Salamence V full art. Not too bad. Okay, now let's take a look at... Actually, you know what? We're going to go with the Chill and Rain. Get all these regular packs out of the way. And then we're going to do a battle between the 2 boxes for Celebration. And there's another code. 1, 2, 3, 4. So starting off with Steel Energy, Flaffy, Kakuna, Karen's Conviction, Cast Form, another Cast Form, Ladybug, Golett, Clobbopus, Flannery Reverse, and a Salisbuck. Alright, time for some Vivid Voltage. One, 2, 3, 4. Got Darkness Energy, Electric, Charmeleon, Telescopic Sight, Voltorb, Rockruff, Talo, Yama, Wooper, Germriddle, and the Clefable, regular rare. Alright, so far we have Lance's Charizard V set is winning. Alright, so I guess what we'll do is just go back and forth and see how we do. Okay, so looks like we're starting off with Yveltal, and I really like how all of them are either hollow or better, and you got the 25th anniversary logo. Got Reshiram. Ooh, that's pretty cool. First pack. Got Reshiram, and then we got Reshiram. I believe this was part of the Generations like special collection. Really love that sparkle. And they got the 25th logo anniversary. And we also got a Surfing Pikachu V. So that's definitely off to a great start. Put those to the side. And we got Reshiram, Palkia, ooh, Xerneas EX, and Professor's Research. That's really cool. I love how they even included it down here with the little sparkle on the EX rule. Nice. Wow. This for a celebration just treat me pretty good. And it's kind of funny, we keep starting off with Reshiram. So we got Reshiram, we got Ho-Oh, we got Lugia, which is actually my favorite legendary, and then we got Solgaleo. Okay, so nothing too fancy in that pack. And we got Kyogre, got Dialga Hollow. Ooh, let's go! Blastoise with the 25th anniversary. Not too bad centering. And Zamazenta, let's go. Imagine if... I was so excited. I didn't even realize that was the last pack for the Charizard. Alright. Scoot this down. Now time to move on to the Pikachu box. So we're starting off with a Xerneas. Got a Cosmog. Ooh, Garchomp level X. And we got Professor's Research again. Nice. Ooh, I like how it's textured too. Second pack. Got Groudon. And Reshiram Hollow. Got Kyogre Hollow. Ooh, original Pikachu. Well, from the jungle. That's cool. And it's pretty fitting too, since it came from the Pikachu box. Alright, second to last pack. Let me know down in the comments down below what you guys are pulling. Got Yveltal Hollow. Got another Cosmog. Dark Gyarados. And a Mew. Oh my goodness. Dude, we're killing this. I don't even know what's my best pull yet. Like, I really like the Dark Gyarados, but that Blastoise. Okay, last pack, guys. We got Dialga Hollow. Got Zekrom Hollow. Another Reshiram. And Professor's Research. Okay, so nothing too crazy out of the last pack. Alright, so let's do a quick recap. So in Lance's Charizard, we got the Blastoise Hollow, which is actually cool because it's textured. Then we got Zamazenta V. We got Xerneas EX. Professor's Research Full Art. We got the Reshiram from the Radiant Collection. And the Surfing Pikachu V, all with the 25th anniversary stamp. And then for the Pikachu, we got Dark Gyarados for the 25th anniversary. Mew with the 25th anniversary. Then we got Pikachu Full Art from Jungle with the 25th. And then we got Garchomp level X. So overall, for my first two boxes of this new set, I definitely am very impressed. So hopefully I can get lucky and find some more while I'm out and about. But if you guys enjoy the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more future videos like this. And as always, thanks so much for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.